50cc pit bike. We did a frame swap from off a 50cc. We did an engine swap from our 50cc frame to a 110cc frame. It's still a 50cc motor. Last thing we gotta do is sprocket it up. Need a little bit more power out. It's geared way too low. New plastics, new grips. We gotta wipe the grips back off. New brake reservoir. We did some valve stem lights for a customer. What else we do to this? New carb, air filter, fuel filter. Fresh head gasket. We did a top end rebuild on this motor too. The fresh piston rings, head gasket, cylinder sleeve gasket, new chain. Threw some stickers on it, so make it so it won't look plain. Nothing too much. Like you said, it runs, rides good. Brakes work also. Brakes work good. 50cc pit bike, fully restored. We got a new seat. We just gotta put it on. It just came. It come in tomorrow, so customer can pick up Thursday. But seat will be on. Shout out crazy customers, happy business. We appreciate it. Shout out crazy customs.